Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today, another item from my friends over at KINGBOLEN. Today we're testing a battery analyzer. This battery analyzer is good for 6 volt, 12 volt, or 24 volt, and it's a battery tester. Voltage, over voltage input protection, polarity reverse protection, SOC/SOH test, 612 or 24 volt battery compatible. So basically, if you have a weak battery that always needs charging, you want to analyze the battery to see if it's on its way out. And basically, you just connect the positive and negative alligator clips to it, and then it'll supply the power to the LED readout, where you will analyze the battery and see whether or not you need to replace it, charge it, or just see the basic health of the battery. It can also test the battery under load. So let's go try it with a dead battery, and then we'll try it with a good battery. So here we have a dead battery for sure. It's about 600 CCAs, cold cranking amps. We're going to attach this to it and check out what it reads. So there we go. We connected the KINGBOLEN device to the battery, and here we have the readouts. 12 volt, yes. 500, it's about 600. The label is missing, but given the size of the battery, it's about 600, 650. Let's just do 650. I know the battery's dead anyway. So we'll press OK. There we go. Poor. Has 8.24 volts in it right now. I don't know what all that stuff means. But either way, it says it's a poor battery, and I knew that. So let's test this with a good battery. This is my Craftsman lawn tractor that I just repaired, and I just charged up the battery with a smart, intelligent battery tester. And this battery now runs very well. And it's a 230 cold cranking amps. So we'll put the KINGBOLEN tester to this, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's connected onto the battery, and here are the readouts. It is a 12 volt battery, just like a car battery, and it's 230 CCAs. Okay, say okay. And it says 258 cold cranking amps, and it's good. So this is a good battery tester. You can see other stuff about it right there. See, 100% SOH, 98% SOC. I think SOH is health, and 98% charged. That's something in ohms. And it's at 12.84 volts right now. So very cool. Works very well, easy to use. You do need a battery that has some juice in it, otherwise it won't power the LED. So this is the KINGBOLEN battery analyzer. It's BM550. It's not very expensive. It's a must-have for guys that like to wrench in the house, garage, backyard wrencher, and you deal with a lot of auto and mechanical aspects of using a battery. KINGBOLEN should make a thing for flies too. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. And thanks a lot for joining me on this weekend product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
This guy screwed this up. I'm gonna see you guys next time on Mowers.